So here we are. This is sort of our finale video, I guess. Not the end of the adventure, but certainly the end of the construction. We were away for a few days, and we came back, and everything is tremendously overgrown. So my family is in there picking vegetables. I'm going to try and show you what it looks like. The sun is shining quite brightly today, and it's going to be difficult, but I'll give it a try. Let's go take a look inside. Everything has tremendously grown huge, overgrown in some ways, because unfortunately it hasn't been very good weather this year. A lot of rain, tremendous amounts of rain, so everything is overwatered, everything bolted. But nevertheless, we're loaded with vegetables. Everything is huge. I mean, 4 or 5 feet tall tomatoes. But beautiful. My family's been picking all morning. The strawberries are all gone. But there's lots and lots of tomatoes, some green, some ready to eat. So yeah, everything is beautiful. We have lots of beautiful bees in here too. But a lot of it is overgrown because the weather just hasn't cooperated, unfortunately. I can't shoot in certain directions because of the sun, but look, Dagmar, she picked an onion. So yeah, beautiful. We have our cabbages and, everything is just very nice. Again, like I said, a lot of it is overgrown, unfortunately, but we were away. We couldn't be here a lot. But nevertheless, we've picked a ton. Oh, tomato. And it looks really beautiful. So they're here busy filling baskets with vegetables. And let me show you what this looks like from the outside. There's a lot of stuff in here, a lot of beautiful stuff.
Oh my gosh, you have to see the cucumbers.
Yeah.
That's the one thing that did grow.
Yeah, look at the cucumbers. Wow,
that's in 1 week.
That's beautiful.
Since we've been gone.
Oh, I see one hanging out over here. From
I
here, I
missed
can
one?
see right there.
You always miss one.
Right there.
Oh, okay.
And on the outside, you have, I don't know, huge amounts of them. Oh, you did?
Yep.
Oh.
This one's not quite ripe yet. That's why I left it.
Oh, okay. Let's see what we got on the outside here. Look at how it looks from the outside. Isn't this beautiful? Look at this. Oh, yeah. Dagmar got all the ones that were hanging out here. No, there's another big one out here.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, cucumbers love water.
Here,
We've had
look.
nothing but rain. Okay.
You're going to have to get it from the inside, honey. Just come over over here, on this side where you were.
There's bees
right
buzzing
here,
everywhere.
right here,
Yeah.
and then reach in right
there's a bee.
here. Those bees don't bother you. There you go. See it? Yeah.
And then, folks, the best way to take these is use a scissor so you don't rip off the whole plant.
So yeah,
Look at that.
you can see how, the leaves are yellow because there's been tremendous amounts of rain. I mean, it just rain and rain and rain. And so with us being away, things got overgrown, and with all the rain, things got overwatered. So it's not the best possible results. But yeah, we didn't think we were going to have a garden this year. Look at our peas. Our peaches. We haven't even had a chance to plant these trees, and they're giving fruit. So yeah, everything looks beautiful. Now, it's a little bit bittersweet, right? It's the end of something. It's not the end of the adventure, but it's certainly the end of the construction. And this is always difficult for me. It's like losing a best friend. For me, it has always been about the journey, not the destination. And this journey is, at least this stage of it, is coming to an end here. Kind of feels like when we used to go out on our boats, take my friends out fishing. We'd hit the open sea, we'd be flying through the waves, and boy, was I happy. And then we'd get somewhere, and we'd anchor down, and we'd be fishing, and everyone would be having a good time. But secretly, I was sitting there hoping that somebody would say, let's go to another spot so I could go again. Because it's the journey. So this journey has been fantastic. It's been amazing. And it's, the construction part's coming to an end. So even though the adventure doesn't end, look how beautiful this is. This part is just about over. So what we have left to do, besides pick lots and lots of vegetables here, is to be true to what we said we would do and have our final little get together here and eat a wonderful salad and drink a glass of champagne and cheer our good fortune and the fact that we were actually able to do it and build a beautiful garden. So we'll do that later when the sun is a little bit better. So yeah, we'll come back and we'll do that. So here we are. We promised we would get here. We got here. The garden's finished. We're sitting here with our shades. It's supposed to be a sunny day, and it is. Actually, it was a beautiful sunny day, but you can't shoot when the sun is out because it screws up our very cinematic cinematography. So, but we're here. Dagmar made a beautiful salad. Want to tell us about it?
Yep. So, folks, this is all what we picked. We picked tomatoes, tons of cucumbers. The lettuce starting to be a little tired because we were almost at the end of lettuce season, and some green onions and the radishes. So, and that's what we made the salad
looks
with,
beautiful,
which
eh?
is beautiful.
So we're ready for our toast. Jason, you want to say anything?
Well, thank you all so much for stopping by and watching all of our shenanigans and our adventures. It means a lot.
It's been a wonderful time. In spite of all the difficulties, I loved it. It was great. We spent a lot of time together, my son and I. So thank you for following us along, as Jason said, and cheers. Pretty good, right?
Yeah.
You know, it's funny. You made a face after you were fighting not to make a face because of the bubbles. He hates bubbles. He's like, I'm smiling.
Yeah.
It's really delicious.
Champagne's usually not for me, but it's nice to celebrate.
Cheers.